Welcome to the introductory video to the COVID Migration News Database. Within this database, you can search for news reports covering the multidimensional impacts of the COVID-19 pandemic on migrants, refugees and asylum seekers, and internally displaced persons around the world. In this video, we will show you how to utilize the search options for this database. So let's begin. In your browser, type in covid-migration.univ.ac.at. Once at the website, click on the Search tab. You can read the search instructions here on the right side. On the left side, you see the various categories you can use to narrow down your search. Step 1. Select your geographical area of interest. You can either select a country directly on the map, or you can use the search function in the menu panel on the left side where you can choose a country, region, or continent. On the left menu, you must designate whether you are interested in a country as origin, transit, or destination. The selection of multiple countries functions as an OR search and will expand the search to include all countries selected. Step 2. Select your topical areas of interest. Also on the left panel, you can narrow your search based on multiple categories. For example, you can select the type of migration, as well as what migrants are exposed to, such as quarantine or mobility restrictions. Here is how migrants are affected, for instance, housing or violence. You can also search by selecting which actors are taking measures, and what type of support measures, effects on countries of destination, like the lack of labor, and effects on countries of origin, like the lack of remittance flows. You can narrow your search down to a certain time period. And you can search for keywords like environmental migration and migrants stuck at sea. Finally, you can narrow the results to news reports in English, German, Spanish, and/or French. Step 3. The results. To review, there are two ways you can search. First, you can select a country or multiple countries and then narrow it down by clicking on the categories on the left. Or if you're not interested in a geographical area, just select an option in the menu panel and look, for example, into the lack of remittance flows globally. Once you are finished with your search, you can find your results on the right. Just click on the link to open the news report. You can also download your search results as a spreadsheet. However, don't forget to press the Reset All button to start a new search. Check for our methodology at the Data Source tab, and feel free to provide feedback on the website by sending an email to population.geography@univ.ac.at.